In this video, we're diving into the top electric meat grinders for 2025, exploring the best models that bring power, efficiency, and convenience to your kitchen. Whether you're grinding meat for burgers, sausages, or homemade pet food, we've got you covered with the best options to make your grinding experience smooth and hassle-free. So, let's get started. Number 5. SHXI Multifunctional Electric Meat Grinders. This electric meat grinder is built with a compact stainless steel body that not only looks beautiful, but is also incredibly easy to clean and operate. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it an essential tool for any modern kitchen. The SHXI grinder features a robust metal-to-metal drive clutch system, ensuring smooth and reliable operation every time. It also has a stainless steel 6-blade design for efficient and even grinding, making it perfect for a variety of ingredients. For added safety and convenience, the grinder is equipped with a non-slip rubber pad that keeps it firmly in place while in use. With 5 adjustable speed options, you can grind soft or hard ingredients with ease. Whether you're working with meat, fruits, peanuts, walnuts, or even beans, the SHXI grinder is up to the task. The grinder is designed with an ergonomic handle, making it easy to carry and use even by elderly individuals. It's all about making your cooking experience more comfortable and efficient. And with a generous 5-liter capacity, you can handle larger batches of ingredients in one go, saving you both time and effort. Plus, its 500-watt power ensures high-performance grinding, whether you're preparing meat, hot sauces, or even crushed garlic for your favorite dishes. The SHXI grinder doesn't just chop and grind, it also allows for quick dough preparation with a simple one-button start feature. No more struggling with manual mixing. Number 4. Vevor Food Processor and Meat Grinder. This versatile machine comes with 2 bowls, one 2,000 milliliters, or 8 cups, glass bowl, and one 1,200 milliliters, or 5 cups, stainless steel bowl. Both bowls are crafted to be BPA-free, ensuring that your food remains free from harmful chemicals, making it the perfect choice for health-conscious families. Whether you're preparing baby food, chopping vegetables, or grinding meat, you can trust that Vevor's food processor has you covered. Thanks to the powerful 400-watt motor and the 4-wing stainless steel blades, this food processor chops and grinds ingredients with precision, delivering a smooth and uniform texture every time. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from finely chopping onions, garlic, and herbs to grinding meat for your favorite recipes. The high-performance motor ensures quick and efficient processing, so you can get your ingredients ready in no time. One of the best features of this food processor is its 2 chopping speeds. If you need extra power, simply switch to the high-speed mode to tackle tougher ingredients or larger batches. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or cooking a full meal, the Vevor food processor adapts to your needs. Safety is a top priority with the Vevor food processor. The built-in safety switch ensures the blades only operate when the processor is correctly locked, while the overheating protection automatically cuts off power in case of excessive heat. Number 3. Wancle MG6009 Meat Grinder. The Wancle MG6009 is a multifunctional food processor that goes beyond just meat grinding. It's perfect for chopping vegetables, fruits, and nuts, mixing ingredients, beating eggs, and much more. No matter what you're preparing, this food processor makes it easy to complete a variety of tasks in no time. Equipped with a powerful 350-watt motor and a sharp 6-blade cyclonic action system, the Wancle grinder can easily handle both soft and hard ingredients. Whether you're chopping onions, grinding meat, or crushing garlic, this food processor works quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The Wancle MG6009 is also designed for easy cleaning. Its detachable parts make it simple to clean after every use. The head can be wiped with a damp cloth, and the blades are dishwasher safe, though the cup itself should not be washed in the dishwasher. This thoughtful design makes maintaining your food processor quick and hassle-free. Using the Wancle grinder couldn't be simpler. With one touch operation, all you need to do is press the palm of your hand to get started. It's quiet, efficient, and easy to use, perfect for anyone, even those with little kitchen experience. Compact and easy to store, the Wancle MG6009 has a 600 milliliters capacity, making it ideal for family use. It fits perfectly in your kitchen, whether you're short on space or just need a small, powerful tool for quick food prep. Number 2. BioloMix 3-in-1 Food Chopper and Grinder. The BioloMix 3-in-1 food processor is more than just a blender. It's a jug blender, food chopper, and grinder, all in one device. It comes with a 600 milliliters blender bottle, a 1200 milliliters chopper bowl, and a 100 milliliters grinder cup. Whether you're making smoothies, chopping vegetables, or grinding spices, this device has you covered. Equipped with a powerful 700-watt motor, the BioloMix blender can reach speeds of up to 24,000 revolutions per minute. It's built with 4 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, allowing you to chop food, crush ice, and blend ingredients with ease. From smoothies to soups, this blender ensures that your ingredients are processed quickly and smoothly. Using the BioloMix blender is simple and straightforward. The easy-to-follow instructions allow you to assemble the device in minutes, and the one-touch operation makes it incredibly convenient to use. It's made of BPA-free, food-grade plastic, ensuring safety for you and your family. Cleaning up after use is a breeze. The blender bottle, chopper jug, grinder cup, and blades are all detachable and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Just be sure to exercise caution when handling the sharp blades. For those on the go, the BioloMix 3-in-1 blender is portable too. The 600 milliliters BPA-free bottle is perfect for holding fresh juices like orange, apple, or pomegranate juice. The bottle has a silicone sealing ring to prevent leaks, and its ergonomic design makes it shatterproof, so it's ideal for outdoor activities like jogging, cycling, or camping. Number 1. BABROUN Electric Kitchen Mixer. The BABROUN Kitchen Mixer is a true game-changer, combining 6 essential kitchen tools in one device. Whether you need a dough hook, whisk, beater, juice blender, meat grinder, or noodle mold, this Stan's mixer has got you covered. With 6 speeds and a pulse option, you have full control over your mixing. The range of settings, starting from low to high, ensures that you can achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. The pulse function is particularly useful, reaching the highest speed in seconds, which is ideal for tasks like rinsing juicer cups or making smoothies quickly and efficiently. The BABROUN mixer features a 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, which is perfect for families of 4 to 6 people. Whether you're mixing large batches of dough or preparing enough cream for a family dessert, this large-capacity bowl ensures you have plenty of space. Plus, it comes with a 1.5-liter glass jar, ideal for making fresh juices or milkshakes. The powerful 660-watt motor, made with pure copper, allows the BABROUN mixer to handle any task with ease. Whether you're grinding meat for your favorite recipes or kneading dough for bread, this machine ensures smooth and efficient operation every time. The mixer is designed with anti-slip silicone suction cups that keep it firmly in place during use, providing extra stability and safety. You can confidently mix, blend, and grind without worrying about it moving around your countertop. And there you have it, the 5 best electric meat grinders for 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you next time.